Hello students, this is 8th standard science lecture. We will start with the second chapter, that is health and diseases. Have you ever taken the leave from the school at least once in a year? You must have. Due to cold or fever? In those days, we used to be very unhappy, tired and lazy. When we get rid of this sickness, we become active, healthy and happy. So, we should be healthy enough so that we could not fall in sick. Being healthy means the state of complete physical, mental and social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. Disease means dis-ease. Let us see the systematic definition of disease. Condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of body is called as disease. You must have heard many names of diseases, don't you? Like diabetes, cold, asthma, Down syndrome, heart disease, etc. On the basis of time duration, these diseases are classified into two types, that is chronic diseases and acute diseases. Chronic diseases are those took long time to recover, and acute diseases are those took shorter time to recover. Let's list out chronic diseases: heart disease, asthma, diabetes. Acute diseases: cold, cough, fever. There is one more criteria of classifying the diseases, that is according to reasons. The reason of disease may be hereditary, that means parents to children, or may be acquired, that means obtained from surrounding or personal habit. Acquired diseases have two types of diseases, that is infectious and the other is non-infectious. Infectious diseases are caused by pathogens. Non-infectious diseases are due to personal habits. Disease causing microorganisms which cannot be seen without microscope are called pathogens. Pathogens enter our healthy body and cause disease. Pathogens are there in our surroundings. They might be in air, water, soil, or in food. We must get list of diseases and their informations. For that we have to stop over here, and we'll be continuing this lesson in the next class. Till then, be healthy, be safe, take care. Bye bye.